Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the third chapter of Standard 6 SS. The name of the chapter is Citizenship. Today it is the first lecture. My dear student, I have divided this chapter into three videos. Okay, in this first video, we will learn about identification. One thing, when we learn about the word citizenship, citizenship means citizenship means the person who is born in the country, he is the citizen of that country. I am born in India, so I am the citizen of India. And my dear student, Indian government gives certain proof to prove myself that I am an Indian. My dear student, here I have some things to show you. Can you say what is it? This is driving license. This is driving license, and here we can say here my photograph is there, my name and my address is there. So this is the government document which proves that I am an Indian. Got it? My dear student, this is called pan card. This is called pan card. Okay, your mommy and papa may have this thing. This is photograph. Here my name is written, address is not there, address is not there, but here one permanent number is given. Pan means a permanent account number, that is called pan number. It proves that I am an Indian citizen. One more important thing, it is this. Can you say what is it? It is voter ID card. It is voter ID card. My dear student, when you complete your 18 years, when you complete your 18 years, you will get this kind of card, which have when elections are held, you will use this card to vote. Okay, so here my photograph is there, my date of birth is written, and behind it my address is also written. Got it? One more important thing, that is Aadhaar card. Okay, this is Aadhaar card. Here numbers are given. Here numbers are given in a 12 digit. And my dear student, here photograph is given, name is given, and behind it address is given. Okay, so that proves that we are Indian. So got it, my dear student? These are the things. Apart from this, passport is there. Passport is also there with photograph. So these are the things with photograph which proves that I am an Indian. Okay, I am an Indian. So got it? Now, before an Indian, I am also member of my family. I am member of my family. My dear student, here I would like to explain about a child. Number one, a child a child learns from his family. A child learns from his family. My dear student, that is why the family is called the smallest unit of the society. A family is called the smallest unit of society. So a family is called the smallest unit of society. My dear student, here, as the child is born, he learns many things from his family. First, he observes his father and mother. He observes his father and mother. That's why we can say family is the smallest unit of the society. So a child comes in contact with family, and the family is the first institution in which a child comes into contact. Got it? Second thing, after family he learns from neighboring, and at last he learns from school. Got it? So which factors play better role in molding child's life? First one, family. Second one, neighborhood, and third one is school. Family, neighborhood, and school, they play an important role in molding child's life. My dear student, now what is your duty towards family? First duty of a child towards family is to follow rules and regulation of the family. My dear student, you are helping your papa and mommy in your when they work, when they are doing certain work, you are helping. So the first duty of a child is to help each other, and having a good relationship with all the family members. My dear student, sometimes I I don't want to say, but sometimes we know, in family, maybe my brother and sister, they may not have good relationship. Okay, they are fighting with each other. Maybe papa and mommy may not have a good relationship. Okay, always fighting, quarreling. My dear student, but your duty towards family is to have good relationship with each and every member of the family, and to follow rules and regulation. Got it? My dear students, suppose when mommy is doing certain work, it is our duty to help mommy. When papa is doing some work, it is our duty to help. Okay, when brother and sister, whoever is there, it is our duty to help. Okay, now second one is, when after family he comes in contact with neighbors. Okay, when he goes out, he learns from the society, members of the society, other thing, and he also learns. My dear student, here we can say the child is also called the mirror of parents. Okay, the child is called the mirror of mommy and papa. Why? Because what mommy and papa do, exactly the child does. Okay, got it? So after family, neighborhood. From neighbor, when he goes to school, he has certain duties towards the school. My dear student, first duty of a child is towards school is to follow rules and regulation. My dear student, from the school he learns discipline, and these factors mold child's life. Suppose suppose a child doesn't behave properly in the school, so and it creates any chaos, so that's not good. My dear student, the first duty of a child is to have good relationship with his co-students. Okay, second thing, to do the homework regularly. These are the important things of a child. So my dear student, a child, here I am writing here, towards his family, after family he has certain duties towards taluka. First take village, after village, taluka, after taluka, district, after district, state, and after state, nation, and at last, world. So these are the steps. These are the steps how a child helps. Okay, once he helps the family, automatically he helps the village, and if he helps the village, automatically he helps the taluka, and if he helps taluka, automatically to district, state, nation, and world. And that is why we can say Vasudev Kutumbakam. What we say? Vasudev Kutumbakam. Today we are learning three things. Okay, first thing, important identification, important proof which the government gives us. Okay, can you say which are the important things the government gives us? Documents, that is called government documents with photograph. The documents which government gives us to prove that we are Indian. Here certain documents I have written. They are driving license, PAN card, voter card, Aadhaar card, and passport. Got it? Got it? Now next thing. Other many things are there, but they are not with photograph. My dear student, if you are getting school identity card, okay, that is not government. That is given by the institution. But in that card, you will get all the information related to you. Okay, so that is not accepted by government. That is not accepted by government. Here government gives the card which you get, from the school, that is just to help that you are the student of so and so school. Okay, so all the informations are there that we will discuss later on. So got it? Which are the documents with photograph that proves that you are an Indian? So here are their driving license, PAN card, voter card, Aadhaar card, passport. Okay. Second thing, what is your duty towards family? To have healthy relationship with all the members of the family. Okay. Why? Because family is the smallest. Family is the smallest unit of the society. Got it? Second thing, a child starts to learn from his family. What mommy and papa does. My dear student, you know the first word the child speaks, that is ma. The first word the child speaks, that is ma. And after that, ma, papa. So whatever he learns, he starts from family. After family, he learns from neighbor and school. So these are the three factors which molds the child life of a child and makes a better citizen. In next video, we will learn more things about them. Thank you.